Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm gonna be showing you how to use Neo coin on SatoWallet app. So first of all, we go to the SatoWallet website, and that's www.SatoWallet, and download the apps from there. Well, there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, there is one on App Store, and there is the PC version. So we're going to use the PC version because right now I'm in front of my PC and I've already installed the PC one. So all you need to do is sign in and create a password, and here is the Google AUT. It's for the security of your funds, and here are the list of coins on the app. And so we're gonna look for Neo. Okay, you see Neo is right here, and you can actually search Neo in the search bar right here. Okay, you see Neo just pops up, so we click on Neo, and here is the amount I have in Neo, and here is the equivalent amount in US dollars. So if you want to send crypto to your friend, so you click this send, and you type in their address and the amount. Let's say 26 Neo. Okay, 26 Neo is equivalent to $449. If you want to decrease the amount, you just click here, and if you want to increase, you just click here. So, and here is the fee deducted, and it also shows its equivalent amount in USD. And you can type in something like, say, hey friend. Okay, then click on transfer. Okay, let's move to swap coins. Okay, this swap coins you see from currency to currency, amount to swap, fee deducted. Okay, from currency, let's click here and look for Neo because we're using Neo, and yeah, Neo is right here. Click OK, and to currency, let's click AVJ coin commerce. Okay, amount to swap. Okay, this amount is in Neo to AVJ coin commerce. Okay, let's say 1. Okay, 1 Neo is equivalent to $17.2, and which is also equivalent to 226.6 ABJ. So if you want, you see this red text right here, amount exceeds your balance, because this amount of Neo exceeds the amount of Neo I have in my balance in my account. So if you want to, you can actually decrease it, okay, to 0. And this is the fee deducted, 0, 0. So you see, then the fee deducted is 0.006. Okay, let's move to exchange. That's the market. These are the coins available for exchange, and let's look for Neo. Okay, yes, okay, BTC to Neo, and click on that. Okay, okay, you see right here is amount in Neo. Let's say 1. This is price in BTC. Let's say 2. Amount 1. Okay, this is the selling part, and this is the buying part. Okay, this here is B, total B, and total X. Okay, this trade is the amount, is the list of trading between BTC to Neo. So, and this trade, this record changes every 24 hours. Okay, and here my orders. If you make an order, you see it here, and if you want to cancel the order, you can just click cancel. right here there will be a cancel button right here, and this is the trade history between BTC and NEO. From BTC to NEO. Okay, this is the buy, sell, this. Okay, let's move to currency. This is fiat currency. I'm using USD, so okay, let's change to something to see how this fiat currency thing actually works. Okay, let's look for, okay, this, I think this is Hong Kong dollar. Okay, let's click on there. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to change. Okay, see, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. And you see, before here it was showing USD, and now we changed currency and it's showing Hong Kong dollar. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.